Seven maids with seven mops cleaned 7 floors in 7 hours. How long would it take 3 maids to mop 3 floors with 3 mops? Now this is a bit confusing question because of the numbers involved. In the first data it is all 7 and in the next data it is all 3. But understand this concept that 7 maids cannot clean the floor without 7 mops. Hence we can assume that 7 maids and 7 mops as 7 machines, for example, that is 7 units. Okay, now we can solve this by a very simple concept. W1 upon W2 is equal to M1 H1 upon M2 H2. Now work done W1 and W2 is nothing but the floors cleaned. So in the first case it is 7 floors, in the second case it is 3 floors. So this becomes 7 upon 3 is equal to, in the first case there are 7 machines or 7 units as we discussed before. So 7 and number of hours required are 7. Now in the next case again we have 3 maids and 3 mops. So we can say that there are 3 units. We have to find out the number of hours. Okay. So solving this, 3 3 and 7 7 gets cancelled. The number of hours required becomes 7. So that's our answer. 6,200 amounts to 9176 in 4 years at simple interest. If the interest rate is increased by 3%, it would amount to how much? Now, first of all, let's find out the simple interest. So 9176 minus 6,200. So we have here 76. So we have 2976 as the simple interest. So we will use the formula for 2976, that is simple interest, PNR upon 100. So P, that is 6,200, N, that is 4, and R, which we have to find out, upon 100. So solving this, we will get the value R as 12. Now the question asked is, if the interest rate is increased by 3%, it would amount to how much? So we'll find out the simple interest. So 6,200 into 4 into 15 upon 100. Solving this, we get simple interest as 3720. So adding the principal, that is 6,200 to it, we get the answer as 9920 as the amount. So that's our answer. A box contains 4 red, 5 green and 6 white balls. A ball is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the ball drawn is either red or green? Now, the concept of probability is that favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Now, total outcomes, that is total balls we have, is 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is 15 balls. And favorable outcomes, it is asked it should be either red or green. So we have 4 red and 5 green. That means 4 plus 5, 9. Now we are selecting only one ball, a ball. So basically it becomes 9C1 upon 15C1, which is nothing but 9 upon 15. We can reduce this to 3 by 5. So that is our answer. A vessel contains a mixture of grape, pineapple and banana juices in the respective ratio of 4 is to 6 is to 5. 15 liters of this mixture is taken out and 8 liters of grape juice and 2 liters of pineapple juice is added to the vessel. If the resultant quantity of grape juice is 10 liters less than the resultant quantity of pineapple juice, what was the initial quantity of mixture in the vessels? Now, as the ratio here is 4 is to 6 is to 5, let's assume that grape we have 4x liters, pineapple we have 6x liters, and banana as 5x liters. Now 15 liters of this is taken out. That means now 15 liters will be taken out in the ratio 4 is to 6 is to 5. So as 4 plus 6 plus 5 is also 15, we can say that out of the removed liquid, 4 liters will be of grape juice, 6 liters will be of pineapple, and 5 liters will be of banana. Now moving ahead, 8 liters of grape juice and 2 liters of pineapple juice is added. So 8 liters, that means now we have plus 8 and 2 liters of pineapple juice. So plus 2. So resultant we have grape as 4x plus 4 and pineapple as 6x minus 4. Banana is 5x minus 5. Now, if the resultant quantity of grape juice is 10 liters less than the resultant quantity of pineapple juice, that means the equation would be 6x minus 4, which is the quantity of pineapple. So grape juice is 10 liters less. So this quantity of pineapple minus 10 is equal to the resultant quantity of grapes, which is 4x plus 4. So solving this equation, we can have 4x comes on the left hand side, we will have it as 2x, and minus 14 goes on the right hand side, we will have it as 18. So x comes out as 9. Now the question asks us, what was the initial quantity of mixture in the vessel? Now the initial quantity is, you can see this addition, 4x plus 6x plus 5x, that is 15x. So 15x, that is 15 into 9, we will get the answer as 135 liters. So that's our answer. Ram's son's age is 1/3 of Ram's wife's age. Ram's wife's age is 4/5 of Ram's age, and Ram's age is 3/5 of Ram's father's age. Find the age of Ram's son. Now it's a very simple question. As Ram's father's age is given to us, which is 50 years old, Ram's age becomes 3/5 of 50. So Ram is equal to 3 by 5 of 50, that is 30. Ram's wife is 4/5 age of Ram's age. So wife becomes 4 by 5 of 30, that is 24. And son, Ram's son, is 1/3 of his wife's age. So 1/3 of 24. So the answer will be 8. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends who are preparing for aptitude tests. Join us on Telegram, Instagram and Facebook as well.